Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview experience, interview tips in our channel. You have come first time in our channel. If you then you have to subscribe our channel. You will get lots of things. TCS interview experience, Wipro interview experience, lots of things you will get. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about Wipro revised salary structure for the freshers. Okay, so this is very huge topic and huge important topic, and all the students are asking that how the career will be set in Wipro. Is it a good company or not? So all those details I'm going to discuss in this video. So I think this will be very interesting for you. So I have received few information from the team Wipro, so that I'm sharing with you that how will be your career after joining Wipro. So let's get started. I have jotted down few points here, like as they have shared that Wipro freshers salary structure is revised. How much salary you will get after joining, after 1 year or after 6 months, what will happen there? So there are lots of sessions are going on by Wipro. So in that session they have declared these things, and also you will receive this kind of mail when you join Wipro. So basically the starting salary for the initial 6 months, for the first 6 months, will be 3.5 lpa, or 3,50,000 you will join as a system engineer there. So then you are able to see I have written down for the 3 years complete program, or complete salary structure for the 3 years. If you're joining as a fresher in Wipro, so after post 6 months your salary may be 3.75 lpa, and then for post 18 months your salary may range from 4.2 to 4.8 lpa, and post 2 years it will increase from 4.8 to 6 lpa, and after 3 years you will definitely get here from 7 to 9.5 lpa. So now here comes the question, like how this salary increment will happen. Will it basis on performance or overall performance? Will it happen based on some examination? So how this is going to happen? So obviously I'm going to discuss about that also, and also I'm going to share about the bonus program. What is the yearly bonus shared by Wipro, that is also I'm going to discuss here. So if you have come first time, please subscribe, because I give this type of videos and you will get latest updates when I publish new news for this kind of company related salary structure, as well as any information. If you have any doubt, let us know. So what I'm sharing, that on which basis they increase the salary. So actually there mainly we have seen that in these IT sectors, mainly they based on quarters, they actually decides that how the salary structure will be increased, and how they are going to uh, define that on based on which criteria they are selecting particular candidate to increase his or her salary. So like based on quarter, there will be 4 quarter in every IT sectors, and they maintain also in MNC. They mainly focus on these quarters, like if you join TCS or Wipro or Infosys, any of them, all of them are follows this quarter concept. Like after each of the quarter, examination will happen, and you will get ratings based on that examination, and you will secure score, some examination score. So based on that score and rating, your profile will be uh, judged by the Wipro team, that if you are eligible to get this much of 3.75 LPA post 6 months or not, or post 18 months if you are eligible for 4.2 to 4.8 LPA or not. So that things definitely uh, depends upon your ratings, your overall performance, and definitely the examination scores. So all these factors are depending. So based on ratings the salary will be increased, and also the overall performance is important here. So as I have mentioned, so if you secure good score, as well as you will secure their good ratings. So based on good ratings and good score, definitely your overall performance will be good. So then definitely you will be eligible for increment, good increment in the salary. So now uh, these are the few things. So now I'm going to discuss about the bonus criteria. like what is the bonus scale here. So for the first 6 months, so after completion of 6 months you will get definitely bonus of 25K. And after 18 months, if you complete successfully 18 months, then and there is a chance of getting bonus of 25K to 75K. And if you're completing 24 months there, then the bonus amount will increase from 50K to 1 lakh. After 36 months, it is have a chance to get 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh. So basically what I'm going to discuss that each and every year the yearly increment is decided in the month of June in Wipro. So that's we call the yearly increment time or the appraisal time. So I'm also from IT industry, so I also have passed through these appraisals rounds and all these things I have also experienced. So that's why I'm sharing. Like after 6 months I passed through one appraisal round, and after that at the year end, at the same year end, I have gone through the another appraisal round. So it depends upon company, based on the revenue generation and based on the change of the financial year. It depends on which month you will get the increment. Basically for Wipro we have seen for the candidates the salary increment they get in the June. So so that's why and bonus here, if your salary increase then bonus will also increase based on the overall performance. So very important thing is here the overall performance and the ratings and the examination score. So after each quarter, as I mentioned, examination will happen. You have to secure good score there, and then you will be eligible for this increment of salary process. So so that is the thing. Please let me know if you have any further doubts. I'm trying to share any questions. If you have, please let me know regarding salary structure. You will be informed regarding this revised salary structure by the team Wipro. So as I have mentioned, the decision, final decision of judging of a particular candidate for this particular salary range will definitely depends upon the team Wipro. So all the best guys. If you are joining as a freshers, I will say it's a very good company, and future is very good there. As you see that the structure is revised nowadays, so in many company these things are happening nowadays. So as and also for the TCS Digital also, the salary structure is being revised from 6.5 to 7.5 LPA. So so that is the thing. I think it's very much informative to you guys. So hit the subscribe button and share these videos with your friends so that they get the idea about the strategy and the bonus process. So definitely, as I've mentioned, that bonus percentage is also depends on the overall performance, and at the year end your CTC will be revised. Okay, like if you are joining in the month of November, then in the next year end, like in the month of June, you will be considered from November to June. Your performance will not be considered again in the November. So if you are passing through these rounds, then you will be attached in the financial year of 2021 to 2022, and the circle will be November to June. So in this manner, actually, the process happens. So please let me know if you have any doubts, and hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new job updates.